So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I am having fun with shovels and puddles. And my OXO omelet turning spatula is working fabulously. Even to the point of sending a bead over the side. So I just put 5 shovelfuls of multicolors in stripes down one of these 10 by 20 inch canvases. And it occurred to me that if I had a nice heavy layer of paint on the background, I could probably start in the middle and go vertically instead of horizontally, which is what I did. And the horizontally came out great, but there wasn't that much room left to tip the canvas. I tipped it a little bit and it was beautiful. I mean, I think you'll see that if you look for it. It's going to be in a playlist called Tipped, for sure, and Shovels and Scoops. I've got over 1,365 videos, organized by genre and by the 100, which reminds me, if you guys are interested in giving me a thumbs up, I would be interested in receiving one. I don't know what's going to help my channel, but I would appreciate some help, because for some reason I'm not getting placement so people can see what I do, but I live in hope that something will change and I'll be able to come back. In the meantime, underneath the video is my link tree with all the links that you'd ever want to find, including my Teespring clothing, which is all over print leggings and t-shirts, and my Facebook groups like Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation is for students, and I post the videos for the next day there. Also on my community board on YouTube. Yes, I'm going to pick that up. I had a feeling that I had a heavy enough layer of paint so that I could probably just spread it with the spatula. I usually like to use my finger, to tell you the truth. But there's so much paint there right now. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. So this is not about fiddling with things, although it has occurred to me that it would be nice at some point in time to use a basting brush. So I'm going to grab, what am I going to grab? Usually I would use a shovel, but I think I'm going to use my modified homemade rubbing alcohol container that's been cut down. So I'm just going to put that right over here. Put this out of the way for a minute. And I'm going to put colors I like, starting with what? I'm going to put my Anita's white metallic in the bottom and float everything else on top that will come out. Oh, that was long. Okay, that's a lot of pink. Love pink and orange and magenta and gold. I kind of wanted to do more than one scoop, to tell you the truth, but I think I'm just going to put everything in here. I just needed a more shallow dish to rest it in so I can actually get some paint in there before it decides to come out. So this might be really fast, so put the colors in you like. This is a Venetian blue, come out, from Modern Masters. Whoa. Careful what you wish for. I'm going to have some of the new magenta. I make my magenta up with Golden's quinacridone magenta, and then I add other things to thin it out. And Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine. What do I want in there? A little yellow, never hurt anybody. Maybe some more purple. I didn't get a whole lot of that. And this is my flash that I'm running out of, which is a color shifting folk art. And I have turquoise that's also folk art. And a flash. It's one of those days. I hope this spreads out nicely. I suspect it probably will. I haven't used any green gold, and it's another color shift all day. And this is 24 karat gold with some orange added into it. So I was going to start right in the middle and go from one side and the other. Maybe I should do that, actually. Let's do that and see what happens. Let's move that out of the way. And I think what I'm going to do is add some more. What I didn't put in there was some neon pink. And what else? I have a minty green color shift also. And what it looks like I'm missing is some purple that I wanted. And there it is. Yes, and I dripped. I used to do this with a dustpan, and you certainly could. Looks like I have put so many colors down there. I'm going to grab and hope that I can keep some iridescent Venetian blue. And I'm going to grab an edge catcher because I can scrape up whatever I want. And I may want to do that. I may want to go grab an 8x10 canvas. So I can pour my colors onto something. Let's go the other direction. Let's put those colors back on there. And let's grab an OXO omelet turning spatula available on the Amazon link under Show More. And take all of those colors. And if I don't wind up doing another video today, that's fine by me. Take that edge catcher away for right now. Maybe I'll grab another one. Clean one. It doesn't need to be long. Fresh paint will be the first one to run. Oh, I have a rather large something or other right there that needs to go out. I think I'm just going to let everything run right off the canvas and then go back in the other direction once it gets where it's going. Kind of thinking I might like to let that happen again. Come on. And what other colors do I want to add in there? I had some, yes. I am making kind of a mess, but I'm enjoying myself. So if I roll that down and over, I can probably also roll it back. Like I said, wherever you have a new drop of paint that's heavier than the rest, you can definitely play. And I want some orange right here. Because something needs to have a pop of color, and I think I want some more over there also. I'll grab a little bit of this magenta. More than a little bit. I want some gold right here. I'm just going to gently drag it at the edge of my skewer. And if I happen to have gold residue on that skewer, more is the better. thing that I want right now is another streak. And I love that Venetian blue. And I'm just about as done as I need to be. She said, knowing no one would believe her. I'm just adding some dynamic marks in here. I hope. If there's anything else I need, I don't know. I think going much further is probably not in my plan. Although I did just threaten to quit a moment ago and I didn't do it. I kind of like those long marks though. In lieu of a basting brush. And the temptation would be to tilt again. Got some wicked cells. In for penny, in for pound. Might as well go for it. I could always drip bottle colors over. I think if I let them move a little bit, and they will move a little bit, they'll begin to look a lot more natural. They'll create, oh, they're creating a sort of a scaly effect. That is cool. I like that. So, skewer and then scales. Just created puddles that are moving so slowly. So that is neat. That is definitely an experiment I'm happy that I made. And I'm really glad that you guys joined me. Please don't forget, sharing my videos helps me out. A thumbs up is really appreciated. If you shop my links, under the Linktree link, look for the Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out when you shop there, and I appreciate it. I've got paint on me! It's time to put it on my Lilify silicone mat and torch this puppy. And do I like that, or do I want to waggle? You know what? I do like it. I just need my torch. My torch to release the bubbles in the paint. There might be some things I could do differently. I could probably put chain in one of these and be really happy about it. But that was just a scoop of paint, or a couple, actually. If you guys are looking for more of my videos, I have over 1,360 some odd. Who knows by the time you see this how many there will be. And they are organized under created playlists. Look for all playlists and then created playlists. Don't blow on my painting. And like I said, they're organized by the 100 and by genre. And you can find on my YouTube channel, you can find PayPal or Patreon, and you can find PayPal and Patreon also under the Linktree. So if you're interested in winning a painting from me, please feel free to join the monthly drawing. You can find out what the prizes are for any given month on the end screen video, end screen exhibition video, and it always shows on the last 20 seconds. This over here yeah, one more didn't hurt me. Alright, so I love you guys. There's over 86,600 of you, and I hope you check the community board tonight for tomorrow's video. And if you're looking for tomorrow's video on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook, that's another good place to look. And that's where you'll find more students. You can also look for Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and More, where the Shop Now button will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. And you can see masks and t-shirts and 40 other items, really, including baby onesies, if you were of a mind. I love you guys very much. Why do I want to put... I want to put, like, spirals in somewhere. I think I like the waggles. But you knew I liked the waggles anyway. Just a few waggles here and there, just to make it mine. Hopefully not too many. So that was fun. Thank you for joining me. I hope you join me again. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying good night or good morning, whichever it is. That's the one I needed right there. Get rid of those straight lines. Somebody pointed out there are no straight lines in nature. So that was cool. I'll see you on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.